Good morning, good morning. All right, let's see if this stream is working. I hope everyone had a great trading week so far. Let's go check X. All right, looks like it's working on X. That audio loud as hell. All right, so what we got? We got about a minute and a half till U.S. market open here. If everyone on the X stream can please like and repost the stream, would greatly appreciate it. It is live and recorded as always, will be saved onto the YouTube channel and here on the X stream. Let me send out the link in Discord. It's Friday. You know what we do on Fridays. We take Tesla for 100% every Friday. All right. I didn't check the YouTube. Damn it. Using my AirPods today instead of my fancy microphone. Not sure if that's gonna help with the kids in the background, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. What's up? What's up, Jesse? All right. We got about 30 seconds until U.S. market open. Tesla just went red. Amazon flat. Apple, nice pop coming, getting a weird candle. On a hold green. Spine Q's green. IWM green. So we're near the 50% retracement of yesterday's range here. Ding, ding, ding. US market open. Let's get it. Let's get it. We took PAAS to new 52-week highs. It was glorious. Glorious. All right, let's go check. Let's see. Vol-D and Vol-DQ opening up positive. The opening tick is 583. So, wait, sorry. Is it 583? It is 583. 583 on the opening tick. AMD, what a freaking monster. A lot of 180 calls came in yesterday on AMD. Tesla's getting a nice stick right out of the gate. Tessie. Are we going to go ahead and do it this early? There's no way. No way it can happen this early on. No way. No way. 330 calls, $90. No way. Damn, Tessie ripping. Holy shit. I'm up 40% already. That was stupid. What the hell, Tessie? Tessie going brazy. 50% Tessie. Q's and SPY just kind of hanging out between equilibrium and pre-market highs. Tessie gets over 327, 328. I think that is a very, very good sign. I'm actually looking to swing calls by the end of the day if Tesla does um, get above and close above this area right up here. So just larger time frame for Tesla. It's in this really, really tight pennant right here. So if it can get a break in base above here, I think that can be a very, very nice swing for Tessie. Dun, dun. Let's get the chat pulled up as well. Bam, bam, bam. Do you live in KC? I do. That's why I'm asking. No, I do not live in Kansas City. I do not. CELH up 6%. Ooh. Celsius can be a good one. Exactly. Bow, 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 bow. Let's see. CELH, Celsius. Oh, Celsius with the Ripper. Gosh dang, Celsius. I mean, Celsius back to 70. Look, I even drew the little trend line right here. Got the break, retest, and hold right there, that little green hammer candle. And then it was off to the freaking races. What a beautiful freaking chart on there. I'm so happy. Dun, 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 dun. That is an insane move on Celsius. I freaking hate uh, that's on there. I need to change that. The Chach. I hate the Chach. Test your little back test, pop back up to the high. TJ added the Tesla's new high a day. Woo! Tessie up 70%. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right, 80% here on Tessie. Let's see if I can get 100. First freaking trade of the day is right out of the gate. 90 to 175 here. Come on. Little bit more, Tessie. Little bit more. Go. 93%. No! It's so close. Go, Tessie, go. I got a screenshot for 95 on these right here. Go on. Go, Tessie, go. 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 I want the 100. 98, 99. 99.8, 100, 102. Woo! There you go. All right. You guys see? 105% Tesla 330 calls. Boop, 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 boop. All right. It was fun. That was easy. Let's go, TJ. Brando! Brandon! Let's go! His port's up 10% right now from Tesla. Let's go, Tesla! Let's go! Bow, 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 bow. All right, do some management. Doing some management. Popping up to that spot here. Luke, 100% on Tesla. Great job. All right, there's the top of the trend line right here. 90 to $2. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, that's me watching my live stream. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Let's do some portfolio management. Are the spreads on these American Eagles going crazy? They're going crazy. Let's go. Great job, Allie. Oh. My Oscar $12 cash secured puts are expiring today for 100%. Let's go. All right, I'm about to go post it on X real quick. All right, here we go. All right, let me go post it on X real quick. There you go. For the ones I couldn't see the screenshot on here. All right. If you're on X, go to my profile right now and you will see right there the screenshot from my brokerage account of the Tesla 330 calls right there for 105%. I think that's the fastest I've ever got to trade Tesla on a Friday for 100%. Woo! Here we go. Here's the spot, baby. Straight to trend line. Let me go put this in the Discord. Yeah, TJ swinging. I told you I'm probably gonna swing Tesla by the end of the day too. Dun, 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 dun. ERP gonna eat breakfast. So I would expect some rejection up here on Tesla. If it pulls back down, honestly, to 325 area, I'm gonna go long again on Tesla. If we can get the break and base above this area right here, that's what I'm looking for the swing on calls for Tesla. Yup. Yeah, I sent the DG. Dun, 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 dun. Or SPY. Just chilling at pre-market highs. There's Qs above pre-market highs, coming up to previous day high. What is IWM doing? Make sure you go like and repost the X post there for the Tesla. And if you have some great gains from Tessie, put them in the comments. Would love to see it. So if you're on X, go give that Tessie post a like, and then go in the comment section. Let me see your gains. TJ, Allie, Luke, maybe A Rod. I don't know if A Rod took him. Brandon, great job. Dun, 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 dun. IWM weaker. So you got SPY popping up, Q's popping up, IWM not. So IWM weaker here than SPY and QQQ. I'll pull back to 325 on Tesla. I'll look to long again, and then if it gets a break and base over the 328, 330 area in that upper trend line, that's what I'm looking at the end of the day for a potential swing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are back to the top here. So this spot right here essentially is the resistance. So nice target upside, straight for these calls, and then if it can break in base above here in the larger time frame, looks fantastic. As soon as I try to set a limit for the 328 level, my contract's closed for 101 profit. Nice. Bishop, Casey, and TJ were in a trade. Did Bishop get in Tesla calls too? No way. Oh, let's go. Oh shit. I didn't even know that. Let's go. Great job, Bishop. Tesla can hit 334 today, TJ says. I sure hope so. Would be glorious. Would be glorious. I averaged up on my Tesla shares. About 30% on the equity in Tesla. I averaged up to around the 250 area. Um, so obviously Tesla being at 330 is nice. All right, Tesla 330s are at 230 here. Talk over AMD, please. Let me go check here in a second. MSTR 417.5 calls coming in uh, for 8:15 expiration. Oh man, look, went to the bottom of the zone right at this freaking level right here. Nice pop. Those things are probably freaking expensive. Let me get let me see. Let me get bull flow pulled up in a separate tab real quick. That I can get the notifications on here as well. Great work, Bishop. He swung Tesla. Up 155%. Woo! Let's ride. All right, yeah, let me see. Let me go check that. Some sold calls in AMD came in, or sold calls. Let me check. I just closed the tab. Gosh dang it. Yeah, small size though. 175s. These came in at the ask for MSTR. Yeah, 417.5 calls, 815, multiple orders between about 165,000 up to 212,000. So far, about 100, sorry, over a million um, in total on these. Oh, more just came in. Another order just came in. Where's it at? Right there. At the ask, they bought them at 6. Interesting. The expensive as balls. Let's go pull up MSTR though. Can let's go check something. AMD 175 puts for what expiration? 8/8 expiration. Oh, AM Dizzle with the short. Row Raggy. Where is and I know skill is not asking me. Let's go see. Let's see. Who was it? Was it A-Rod who asked me about AMD? So sold calls and bought puts just came in. IWM's trying to hold 220. Got a nice little bouncy bounce there. CSX getting a little pop. Ooh, you took QQQ. There goes AM Dizzle. $175 puts for 8/8 expiration. That's what they hit. I like these 170s for August 15. They're at 220 here. Not bad. Back testing the 921 right now on the 5 minute for AMD. AMD rejected pre-market high. Yeah, that's right where that flow came in, like right when they hit that spot. So, I mean, those 175s, they just went in the money for that flow that came out. But I like these 170s for next week. Tessie! Boop-a-doo! Go, Tessie, go! Oh, she's not playing around, is she? No, she's not, Brandon. Let's fucking go. Dude, those Teslas. Jesus. Freaking zero DDs on Teslas are so dumb. Oh my goodness, they're 450. TJ just trimmed. Dude, they're gonna that'll be a 300%. 400%, sorry. For you, TJ. Nice. You just trimmed? Nice job. Nice job. He said 334. Holy bejeebus. And freaking insane. He said, "I guess I should have went and made my breakfast." The Tesla 330s, they're in the money for 400% here. Let's fucking go, TJ. Insane! Oh my god. Dude, just going. Oh, there you go. There's Boo in the Discord. Man, we kill Tesla every Friday, Casey. I'm 280%. Ah! Every fucking Friday, man. Let's go. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Great freaking job, guys. All right, go like that post on X and get another one. Go put some likes on the X post. We'll get another one. Tim Tesla, let's go. Danny up $900 on Tesla calls. Great job. Go like the fucking post on X. Let's go. Let's do it again. Let's do it. How much is Bishop up right now? Probably up like $3,000. From 26 to 120. Woo! Damn. Yeah, don't be greedy with Tesla Zero DTEs. I mean, just size small, and when it starts ripping, just trim out, just trim out, and trim out. All right. AM Dizzy looking like a short. Looking like a short. What those puts sitting at? Still 220. I like him here. Gosh dang it. Can't type. Stops are your friends. Man, if my Amazon gap fill would have hit, it would have been crazy. Thank you, Danny. Showing support on the X post. Sharing the gains, the profits. We love to see it. We love to see it. All right, what's MSTR doing? Took my eyes off that for a sec. Looking like it wants this next leg up. Man, looks like an hourly bull flag right here if I've ever seen one. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know. I think she might get a little rippy rippy. What do you think? If it can break trend line, go up to about 412, 415, 26 to 140 on Tesla calls. That's freaking man's about to get like a fucking 1,000% trade right now on Tesla. All right, you do got a little bit of resistance coming up here on Tessie. You're hitting the highs from Wednesday. You're hitting the highs from Wednesday, July 23rd, right up here. All right, so you do got some resistance right up here on Tesla around this 335. Keep that in mind if you've been greedy this whole morning on Tesla calls. You did Amazon puts? Amazon? What? Yes. Check my channel. Let's go, Ray. Look at that. Up 1.3K on the day. Woo! Let's go. Let's fucking go, Ray. You're in runners now on Tessie. Nice job. Let's go. Let's freaking go. What a day. Every Friday. Every Friday. Nice job, Ray. Go check the profits channel. Man, dude made $500 on Monday, 1.68K on Tuesday, 2.19K on Wednesday, 1.44K on Thursday, and 1.3K today. Oh my goodness. SRP TJT? Oh, I know, baby. Oh, don't I know it? Come on now. It can freaking break this 19, like breaking base above it. Q's, SPY, ripping, AMD sitting below the EMAs. Noise. What's NVIDIA doing? Not much, to be honest with you. MSTR, new highs. Goog gap fill on the daily. Watch MSTR. Caught out the flow for it there. Took my eyes off because I was looking at freaking managing Tesla. Oh my goodness, MSTR. Gone. Look, we just drew it on the chart. There she goes. Look, breaking it. There she goes. Oh, we just screenshot that chart and sent it out. It said 412, 415. There she goes. Now if she can break and hold above this, see if we can get the move to previous day high, break above that. 410, 412, 415 would be glorious. Nice pop here though. New highs on MicroStrategy. Beautiful. Yeah, Apple's been on a freaking tear. What's Hood? Hood popping. Brand new whip just hopped in. Let's go, Hood. Remember those freaking 115 or 120 calls on the flow? We called him out a few days ago. What a freaking ripper. If anyone's in the long-term community that I have, the Hui shares, HOOY. These bad boys are printing. Look at this beautiful move last few days. Absolutely gorgeous. And they're gonna pay me a nice dividend. MSTR popping. Oh, you took the 115, 120 calls from earlier this week? Nice. Yeah, that flow is absolutely insane. MSTR. Watch those freaking go 100%. Hughes is on a tear. Spy is on a tear. What's IWM? Is IWM playing catch up? It is playing a little bit of catch up. It is. It's not even above pre-market highs, but ONDS had a freaking ripper of an open, up like 10%, 12%, sorry. UNH with a pop, hood 116, insane. Call flow coming in on XOM 115s. Nice. TJ just said, "Oh, look at that candle on freaking XOM." An Oxy. What the heck? Both those things just got ran. UNH, big pop and huge red candle. Apple, what are you, or Amazon? What are you doing? I have a channel. I have a channel for that. But that, how does that help with bad internet? I don't understand. Previous day high on Qs, Vol D ripping, Vol DQ ripping. Tick has not been below the zero line all morning. Apple, very, very strong. Finally filled that gap. Yeah, Amazon got like a new low of day and they bought that thing right back up. All right. Spy. Or my poots at 336. Not bad, not bad. Jesus. Oscar 15.2. Let's go. Nice. MSTR, I know. Dun, 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 dun. MSTR, there's previous day high. You took the calls from the flow, take a trim. That's a trim spot. MSTR bang, yes, sir. Nice job. I added spy puts here. AMD, nice red candle. Woo! Drop it low. Why every time I type A and D, it auto corrects to and. Swear to God. All right, AMD, drop it low, girl. Who's in the AMD puts with me? Ba-ba-da-da. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. All right, gonna take a trim. Gosh dang it, I'm getting too many notifications from my brokerage. They're like, trim, Casey, trim, motherfucker, trim. All right, filled. AMD. Let's go. There's Monday low. You want this spot to break here on AMD. Give the flusheroo. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There you go, Scurvy. AMD, bang. Let's go. You're welcome. Spy, nice rejection. Come on, AMD, drop it low. Lower. Drop it lower. Put a toilet like all the way down here. Put a little poop emoji on it. Here, let's put it like right like that. That'll be great. I think that helps. I think that'll help. I think that'll help. Come on, give me a new low a day. Give me a new low a day. Boop, 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 boop. All right, bang, bang. Come on. About to close half here. And then move a stop to entry, secure green trade, and then we want the break. TTD down 38%. Dang. And AMD alert sent for the trim. Go. There you go. All right. This is equilibrium zone. You got a little bouncy spike here on AMD. Beautiful puts. Nice trims. This spot can break. I think it can bring the flusher rooskies. Spy puts. How about that, baby? Look at that. Bang, bang. Let's go. Let's go. Now they're just accessing the 9 on Qs. But, it was a fucking sniper right there for the short. Let's go. All right. I got a. Ooh, I just got an alert for Google 207 calls. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, we're printing. Casey on Fire Day. What's up, bro? It's Friday. What you mean? That's why. Boop, 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 boop. Made some money off the spot puts with Casey. Let's go. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Little intraday. Little intraday rejection there is nice. Look at that bounce on AMD. In order to be a good bear, you have to know where the bull's at, and they're right there. That's why I closed half move a stop to entry. Beautiful. Easy little 20-25% on those. Amazon, new low of day. What's going on with Amazonian right here? Getting some wild candles. Google. Google 207.5. What was the flow alert for? 207.5 calls coming in for 8:15. You go pull them up over here. There's a flow. It's on a repeater. 207.5s right here. A bunch of small orders, but yeah, they've been hitting them for the last about 20 minutes. At the ask, they're up like 15% from the entry. Entry was like 120, 125. Oof, IWM. Nice job, Stevie, on AMD puts. Great job. Great work. God, I just got another freaking alert. A-Lab 140s. For January 2026. Deep in the freaking money. I mean, this name's already been freaking running. I'm not too concerned with that. That Google one's interesting though. Look, oh look, I have the little, I drew it right here on the chart. It's already all the way up here. It's about to go fill the gap. Yeah, look, it's already, yeah, it's already playing. I was going for the gap fill. Still get there. Did an AMD 177.5 put and caught 25%, and then did the 170 puts for an extra 12%. Nice job. Great work. You send that Google chart. I did before. Hold on, Michelle. I sent it a while ago. I can send the updated chart one, but I mean it's almost there for the gap fill. But yeah. Here, let me just get all this other bullshit off the chart real quick so I can send it. But let me get rid of all this other hoopla. That was the make or break spot yesterday, and it made it. And now gap fill is here. That's gap fill. So it's playing out right now. I'm about to fill the gap. So Um, let me check for you, Michelle. Bang, bang. MSTR ripping? I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. New highs, just back to that previous day high spot. Nevertheless, was another great one. Did not take MSTR. Did not take that one. Look, now the freaking 420s came in. Those 417.5s. It says they're up 20%. Could be more. Depends on how long until this updates. But IWM looking a little rough here. Tesla's back testing the 328, 330 area and kind of holding above it here, which is good. Q's is stronger than SPY. So this has been the theme, okay? Q's is strong, IWM is weak, SPY is, stuck somewhere. Drop it low, SPY, drop it low, SPY. Rip it, MSTR. So I bought MSTW this morning at 47. So this is a round hill. Let me pull it back up over here. So this is a round hill weekly paying ETF. Let me go check. And I'm up almost $1 per share already. Let's go. Nothing crazy. I threw like a little over $1,000 into these. Um, into my IRA. My small IRA on Zweebles. Nice pop on MSCR. Yeah, unfortunately I was not able to um take the MSCR. Had a lot more moving parts this morning, but that was definitely one of the top flow call outs there. And beautiful chart. Hood, yeah, I mean Hood's looking great. Whoa, what'd someone just say? Did I tell you I love you, Casey? Check the profits from Discord. Hold up. In my Discord, in the profits channel. Let me go check. Oh, no way! Holy shit! Am I allowed to say it on stream? Oh my goodness, MSTR is flying. Do you want me to just keep it in the Discord, or can I say it live on stream here in front of 2,000 people? Can I tell them how much you made on Tesla? Someone just said Sexla. Yeah, it was a good one today. Said yes. All right. $3,592 in profits on Tesla. Let me pull this up. See if I can get it here on the camera. Uh, I'm not sure if it'll do it with the background. No, it's gonna glitch. Oh, oh, oh! I had it there for a second. I had it there for a second. It kind of shows a little bit. No, it won't do it. It won't do it. Well, I guess everyone's just gonna have to go to the Casey Trade Discord and go to the Profits channel. Amazing, amazing job. Great freaking work. I think that's top for the day. I think you have the top profits for the day. I think that's the top profits I've seen today on the Tesla. That's amazing. I'm gonna put together a post here in a second. That is absolutely incredible. Michelle just said, "Go Oscar." What you mean, go Oscar? Is it ripping? Yo, MSTR. Oh my god. Spy bounce off the 9Qs, new highs. Take finally below the zero line. Vol DQ, Vol D still positive. All right, coming up near the 410 area on MSTR. Make sure you lock some in if you took it. Make sure to trim into strength. Don't be greedy. It's Friday. We're playing with profits, making more profits. That's what this day is about. This day is not about going crazy. It's not about going balls to the wall. It's not about like freaking losing your ass. It's trading with profits Monday through Thursday to make more profits. If you lose it, you lose it. You're losing a portion of your profits from the week, but you don't just blow everything up. Get the Apple Studio? Not yet. Not yet. I have to go into Best Buy, go talk to these Geek Squad guys, and figure out a few things. But I did put together the one that I am ordering. I think it cost, I think it's like 2,700 bucks. So I did, I did build it online, customize it the way that I need it to be, and then I just got to go into Geek Squad and uh, get a few pointers from the geeks, essentially at Best Buy, the Geek Squad, and get their help on a few things. And then I'm going to put together the order next week, right when we go to close on the new house. And then I'm just going to have everything set there, probably. We'll see. Q's new high, SPY popping back up here, about to hit previous high. Apple new high. IWM, dude. IWM is so weak. Like, it's not even trying compared to SPY and Qs here. Like, not even trying. Apple just did a bull flag break, new highs. Nice little. Oh, a Morningstar reversal on Apple too. A Morningstar reversal that led into a bull flag. Look at that. Google looks like a bull flag. Yeah, Google looks good. I think Google's going to fill that gap. It needs to. It needs to go a little bit higher to fill the gap. I put gap with a H. Gap. Yeah. Needs to feel that. Yeah. Tessie. Bouncy, bouncy off 330. Bow, chicka, bow, bow. AMD about to break it. AMD. Let's go. Break it. What's the target? Toilet bowl with the poop. I sent it. The toilet bowl with the poop. It's here. I already sold half. It's right here. But if it flushes, it needs to go to the poop. Flows underneath the EMAs and VWAP here. Put flow coming in. Get all the way down here to the equilibrium. Monday low. Gosh dang it. Why Discord, why are you glitching? So that right there is what we got so far, and I've already sold half. What I want is it to go all the way down to there. Right there. That's what we want. This is what we want. PLTR flagging up, dude. I know. PLTR is on a move. Affirm down 5%, Weeble says. Q's new high, SPY new high. Vol D and Vol DQ not pushing higher, which is interesting. Apple 365K in the money. 0DD Lotto. Someone just said Tessie just got some news. What? Oh, new high a day on Tessie. Back down to these equal lows on AMD. Again, if you have not locked something in here, I'm not saying to do so, but I'm telling you that I've already sold half. About 20-25%. Looking good. Nothing crazy. 220 to 270. $50 per contract gain. I mean, I ain't gonna be mad at $50 per contract gain. We don't want a low VIX. We want a high VIX. Make volatility great again. Make volatility great again. All right, here's a big spot on SPY. Up near this 637 to 637.70. It's a big spot on SPY. Long-term PLT, I mean, on the company or the stock for a trade? Probably not. pounds here was like freaking insane. All right, spot put ad. Get some spot puts here again. Uh-oh, why my kid's not happy? They loud. Um, kind of. I mean, I kind of want to, but I kind of don't because they're still sitting around the same. Don't really need to add more risk onto the table. Um, but I mean, right here's a great spot. Spot puts. If you want, right here, it's the spot. It's the spot, baby. You want to try it? Right here's the spot. Tessie, almost at 335. Bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Hughes ripping AMD, double bottom, same spot. Amazon still, Amazon's chart looks disgusting today. I wouldn't touch that thing. IWM just got a nice bounce on VWAP there. Going through the watch list. Hood's looking a little bit toppy. Intraday right here. Hood's looking a little bit toppy. Dude, whatever happened with freaking XOM, look at the volume that came in at 10:15. Little insane. Walmart 105. Dude, Walmart on the weekly is getting that freaking breakout. By getting a rejection, already did. Intraday, great short spot. Can't help myself. TJ Tesla. Oh, TJ, dude, if 340s hit, oh, it's gonna be wild. I gotta go. I'm gonna make a post about the profits here that everyone sent me. Love to see it though. Love to freaking see these profits. Great job, guys. I have no position on Tesla. By the way, I closed fully. If you're still in the Tesla 330s for whatever means, 90 to 550, but I have no position on Tesla. Let's go. Ray, up 1,000. Let's go. Let me go post these testy gains real quick for, well, not my gains. I'll already post them over here in the Discord. I'm gonna post your guys' gains. Great work. Love to see it. All right, let's see. God, I'm getting so many X notifications right now. All right. Let me go send this post out real quick. This is your guys' gains. Danny, great job. Boo, great job. And I hope I pronounced this right. If it's Issa, if I pronounce that right. I spy rejection. AMD! Fat red candle. There's another spy right there. Let me pull this up real quick. Let's go. New low day. All right. No ifs, ands, or buts. If you are here on the live stream, there's 2,500 people in here. I appreciate and love you all. Go support each other in these freaking amazing games. So go over to my X profile right now. Go give that post a like and show support for all of these freaking people that got these amazing games. Boo about 300%, Danny about 200%, and then Issa. Your account is up 35%. It's insane. Danny about $900, and then Issa got about $3,600 on the day, all from Tesla. Amazing job. Go show them some love. Go like that post. Great work. I mean, it's amazing what the stock market can offer you in one day, in a few minutes on a trade. Like it's just, and that could be it. It could be all you need for the day. So amazing job. All right. Sent that. Let me go check my AM Dizzles. Oh, here we go. All right. Oh, we're pushing. Give me 300. Give me 300 on these. I'm gonna take some off here. Soccer Pharaoh AMD puts $609. Amazing job. Amazing job. Scurvy, great job on AMD as well. Yeah, we're fucking crushing these puts right now, guys. Let's go. All right, just send it in the Discord for the AMD fill. Great job. Nice job. Nice job. Spy back to the nine. It's two times. This entire run up this morning on Spy. Called out two times where you can do little shorts. That was right here. That was right here. Both times. Rejection, straight back down to the nine. Nice. I'm never afraid to fight the trend. Never afraid to fight the trend. I prefer fighting the trend sometimes because if you know the good entry points, you can have a lower risk, high reward setup every time. Appreciate AMD and SPY. Casey trades in college and working with a small account. Profits are small, but the hammer and chisel, everything away with you. Let's go. We building it up, baby. Great work. Yeah, great job. Great work. I mean, just trading and making money on the side while you're in college doing this shit, man. Freaking shout out to you. Great job, Scurvy. I'm never gonna trade without Casey. Appreciate you, S900. Appreciate you guys. Come on now. Come on, Spy. Drop it low. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Someone said, Casey, what is the difference between your Discord server content and the Twitter subscription? The price is $69 versus $10. That's a great question. And I'm actually glad someone asked this question while I was live on Friday. So, simplest answer is if you read what the Twitter subscription offers on the front page, and then if you read what the Discord premium server offers on the front page, it tells you right there and there, right? So go to my WAP store for premium Discord, tells you exactly what it is. Live trading, live streaming, live education every single day. Myself, and I have multiple other alert analyst options and futures. Here we go, Spy. Drop it down, girl. Sorry. Bang, bang. That's 2 for 2 on short callouts on SPY real quick intraday. Just saying. Just saying. Both times I said SPY puts right here, what's happened? Freaking red candles straight come in. All these green candles, I said SPY puts here, SPY puts right here. Let's go. All right, so the difference again is premium Discord, live trading, live streaming, live education. Myself, multiple other alert analysts, we all have our own alert channels in there, which where we share what we're doing, sharing our trades, our entries, our exits, profit trims, the whole thing. Premium chats, myself, hundreds and hundreds of amazing other traders in the chat room right now, talking, sharing everything. I mean, it's absolutely everything that I do in one place. Twitter subscription, it literally is the charts that I do for premium to prep for the week, right? And all the things that I'm looking at to trade that week. That's what the Twitter subscription is. I share the charts, the top charts, and my top watches for the week, and the trades that I'm looking to enter into based on those charts. And I put that in there. That's what the Twitter subscription is. So on Sundays when I'm doing all my homework, I do the Sunday night live stream and I share usually obviously SPY, QQ, IWM, and then 3 other charts, right? I usually have like 10. So then all of those other charts that I've sent to the premium members and all that are on my top watch for the week and the trades that I'm looking to take based off of those, I share all of that to the Twitter subscription. And that's it. Now, the exact trades that I'll take based off of those, that's what happens within Premium Discord, waiting for the day, Monday through Friday, when that trade chart sets up. And then, I execute it. I buy this option, this strike, this expiration at this price, and then sell and here for gains, whatever it is. All of those things are all done on Premium Discord. So that's the difference, right? Look at Ray coming in here. No need to think about it. The Discord is fire, worth every penny. Okay, I'll stop it right there. It's $69, dude. AMD right now, one contract, one trade today. Just paid that. Just saying. Uh, Casey's an amazing trader, and not just that, he explains things like I'm a 3-year-old. Casey's a sniper. I appreciate you, Ray. Spy puts. Spy puts. Bang bang. AMD still holding the low. SPY. I'm just saying. Just saying. Yeah. So, and it's not only me in the premium Discord again. So we have one, two, three, four, five, six analysts, including myself. Got a futures trading channel. We have and then five other channels for options. One for option selling. It's one of my buddies, and then day trade and swing trade from Gladiator, Bishop, in their day trade swing trade, and then myself for day trade swing trade, and then the live channel. She said, "We're expecting lower for SPY." I said, "No, because then my puts would be green. Why would I want that?" Well, yeah, Valdez getting a nice little red count. That was nothing too. So on that move up there on SPY, these two times for the short, Valdez was not moving higher during this time. That was one thing that I said. I was like, um, Valdez not moving higher than the SPY and Qs are pushing here. Valdez holding up. Valdez Q is holding up better than Valdez. Um, Tick, again, been closing below the zero line, looking good. VIX trying to bounce a little bit near the 16 area. SPY, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, it's just sniper. Like Ray just said, sniper, sniper, sniper. Burnsy, did you take it? PT on SPY, lower. Here. I mean, you got 21 EMA, you got VWAP. I mean, I'll put the chart right here, but I'll put it in Discord. Well, I'd expect a bounce right here. It's the same bounce spot from 1015. It's also near the 21 EMA for the first time. Usually, when you get down to the 21 EMA right here, you're usually going to see a little bit of bounce. After a big move that happens like this on SPY and it gets overextended, when it pulls back down to 21 EMA and VWAP area for the first time, you're usually going to see a little bounce. So I wouldn't be surprised if they knife straight through it. I mean, I think that's absolutely fantastic. But I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of bounce here. So beautiful intraday move right here to the downside for the SPY puts. If you took them, I mean, I'm not telling you what to do with your shit, but it's a great spot to be, trimming, locking in some gains here. Someone said MSTR went back to red. So right when I sent the chart out, I think it got to 410, and I was like, that's why I was like, don't be greedy up here. Look at that. Where's 410? Look at that. And back down. Don't be greedy. Would love to see AMD go to my toilet so I can exit the rest. Come on now. Flush SPY and AMD. Flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it. There you go. There's your 21. If you took the SPY puts intraday there where I said this is the trim spot. Did he go short? Starkey go short? Oh man, dude. Yeah, let's go. He joined it. No, not on the swings. Intraday short. Bishop PLTR calls 130%. About 40 points on NQ short. Nice. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful spy. Make sure you lock some in. How much we up on the day? That's a better question. Messing with some profits for the day. How much we up? $700 make you holler. I think I have the least profits out of everybody. Jesus. Why do I have the least profits out of everybody? Everyone else made like freaking 800 to 3,000. Some bullshit. Here we go. Spy. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Let's go. Bang. Bang. This is what we do. This is what we do. All right. Trim it up. No. Uh-oh, angry baby. Bang, 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 bang. I know I should accept more risk on Fridays, but I just said this is where you should trim. Just I said it. I said it. I said it's gonna bounce right here. I said it's gonna bounce anywhere. It's gonna bounce right there. 21 EMA and VWAP for the first time. It's gonna test, which is there. You can't be surprised when you see that green candle come in right there. Can't be surprised. I literally said it before it happened. Can you take a look at IWM? You think just chop for the day or down? Let's go take a look. So I mean, they're stepping in right here between 220 and 220.50. I have a key level that's right here, and they're still holding it. So let's go look how the weekly is going to close. Inside week. Now for the day, let me get this out of here. Let me get this out of here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful straight down. It actually went all the way down here and then bounced back up. So inside week and inside day. So yes, chop. Consolidation before expansion. So inside day and also an inside week, which means stop for now, consolidation before expansion. Needs a little time. Hey, so you're gonna trade more futures when you get the new setup. I love when you're calling out future callouts. Like today, yes, today was 2 for 2 ES freaking shorts, 100%. So yes, 100%. I'm gonna have a computer monitor. I'm gonna have 4 monitors. I'm gonna have one monitor that is strictly gonna be set up for my futures account and be trading over there during the live stream. So do do do. From one to the other. Tesla $700 call, 6/18/2026. Oh my god. 500,000. Look at the bouncy bouncy. See? I post on the profits channel. Oh, I didn't. I gotta like the AMD gains. Great job. Great job. Google calls. Great job. Let's see. Anything else looking decent right now? Tessie, 335. It hit 334.99. No way. No way it left us a penny short. It's the high of that candle. Okay, TradingView says 335. TradingView says 335 to the penny. Now Webull doesn't. Webull says 334.99, but I pay for real-time data on TradingView, so we'll go with that one. Took Tesla puts, paying, bought right at 30. It was perfect. Look. Look at that. Tesla puts right off of it. You already were a step ahead. Great job. Nice. Got an alert on ARM. ARM getting a nice move up. Yeah. Yahoo Finance is 399.95. Market lead. Look at ARM. I mean, okay. Beautiful. Yeah, that I'm about to take ARM. I might swing calls. And a 4-hour squeeze is trying to move upside. Daly's closing, basing right off that 200. I mean, it's like the flow pretty bearish 5 to 1. I mean, this thing is getting his teeth kicked in right now, but it doesn't hide the fact that I still want to try a long down here. Even if it's just for, a move back over 140 just to pop it back up to, 142. Let's see. ARM. Let me go check the flow on it too. ARM. Yeah, definitely a lot more bearish flow than bullish flow. Um, all the unusual flow are puts at the ask that came in this morning. Nothing too bullish. I mean, there's some 140 calls for next week. I just got an alert on Google 210s. Goog. Goog 210s. Oh shit. These Goog 210s. Oh. Gap fills $1.20 higher, so it's kind of eh. But they are hitting the flow on these. Let's go, Spy. Nice little bouncy bouncy where we knew you were gonna bounce, but the thing is you can bounce right there, that's fine. But when you come back down to retest it again, you can just fall straight through it. You don't need to hold it the second go around. You don't have to do that for us. You don't have to do that for us. We'll be okay. We'll be okay if you lose VWAP. Gotta move my toilet. Drop it low, girl. I hope so. I want to lower. Want AMD lower. little wonky, maybe head and shoulders right there. Maybe I'm reaching. Drop it down to a smaller time frame. Anyone else see that, or is it just me? Am I reaching? Could be reaching, but kind of like, I mean, if it's a head and shoulders, then it needs to bounce here. That way, it doesn't freaking break the neckline. But all right, AMD. I just want a new low of day, and I want to see a flush down to 171.55, please. 15-minute 9 EMA and VWAP lines up right there. 10-minute VWAP lines up right there. 5-minute 21 EMA and VWAP lines up right there. Again, that is why the bouncy. That was the spot. I'm just waiting for AMD to make this next freaking move so I can get like 50, 60% on these and be like, done. Casey, stop sending me friend requests, bro. I get accepted. I've already accepted you 50 previous friend requests in Discord. I also sent you HD gift cards and a Walmart gift card. Jeez. Dude, the freaking spam accounts in Discord, dude, they are wild. There's so many of them. Nice pop on Qs. Nice long wick right there on SPY. Almost came back down to test the 21, but they did not quite get there. Vol DQ holding up. Vol D is going lower. It's been moving lower. Tick is still below the zero line, but look, see how they're buying it up? See how every time the tick comes down here, they're just sending it straight back to the zero line? So the bulls are still trying to come in and defend. PLTY, dude, I know. Pay me, dolls. PLTY is gonna. Oh my god. Dude, the PLTY shares. Oh, it's freaking dividend. About to smack. You see the head and shoulders? Yeah, I mean, I think it's. I think you can make a case for it. I think you can make a case for it. SPY, Qs, and IWM chart, they all look completely different, and they're all moving different. Bishop doing? He said someone held the Tesla 317.50 calls earlier this week. He said, I thought I was the only one. 560%. Let's go. SPY 0 DTE. Let's go. SPX puts 30%. Nice job on the short. Great work. Give us that fat dividend. I know that's right. Fat dividend. Neighbor Chris. Sorry, bro. I just saw your text. So, I know you guys, well, maybe you guys too. So, for the Discord guys, like, you guys know I live in the Discord server with the team. I'm always here. I'm on my phone. But, I'll tell you right now, I get about 2,000 to about 2,500 notifications on my cell phone daily. So if I miss a notification and I skip past it and don't get back to you like right away or something like that, like just know it's not intentional. It's just the amount of notifications that I get on my phone. So think about so far this morning in 2 hours, I think I probably already today, I probably received about three, a little over 300, which isn't, I mean, which is a lot. Um, but Fridays usually don't get too much because we're just kind of chilling. Um, but yeah, like I get so many freaking notifications. It's just I don't always Chris, he said neighbor KC. He always ignores me. No, I don't. Michelle, he said, OMG KC, I would go fucking nuts. I mean, former neighbor. That's so sad. He said a former neighbor. Here, let me change his name. Hold on. I don't ignore you, Chris. I never ignore you. I'm texting you back right now, but I'm changing your name to former neighbor Chris. Fucking love Chris. Let me see. He texted me. What Chris make? How much you make today, Chris? Chris made like $2,300. Let's fucking go, bro. Chris said, "Luke, I hope your stop loss gets hit." You guys see why I love neighbor Chris? Holy shit! Oh, where do you get the equilibrium zone indicator? Lux Algo Price Action Concepts. It's this indicator right here. Lux Algo Price Action Concepts up here at the top, and you can kind of customize, I mean, this thing to whatever you want. But I have this right here, premium and discount zones right there. So you have premium, equilibrium, and discount. And then I have it to mark the daily, Monday, weekly, and monthly highs and lows. You can also have it auto draw fibs that you want to. If you want to run it from a previous day high to previous day low, you absolutely can do that as well. So I can run like fib top, previous day high low, right here. And then look, it puts it right there on the screen. So look, see where the equilibrium is? It's the 50% retracement. It's the orange line that's behind the word equilibrium. Look, it marks 50% retracement. It's that orange line. It puts the 382 down there. It puts the 618 right here, right? And you have the 786 right up here. So it'll automatically draw the fibs on here for you as well. I don't utilize all of these fibs. I don't use the 618 that often. I don't use the 786. I don't use anything else. The only ones I really care about are previous day and weeks highs and lows and 50% retracement. So it automatically does that with the equilibrium. So I always have that turned on. And I don't really use the other fib levels at all. But Lux Algo Price Action Concepts Indicator, it does have it in here. Um, this indicator, I'm telling you right now, like it could be almost everything that you need. You can like fully customize this thing to like however you freaking want. Um, it's fantastic. Let's fucking go, Spy Puts. Come on, Spy. Let's go. Don't bid lower. Bang Tesla Fridays, baby. Have a great weekend, everyone. Carlos, $1,800 on the day. Again, another person who's got me beat. Let's go. Great work. Great work, Carlos. $1,800 in a freaking day. Dude, love it. AMD still just basing down here this low. Hasn't freaking broken down. All right, so got that potential shoulder now coming in for this head and shoulders on Qs. So Josh said he sees it too. I wasn't the only one. I'm not the only one who saw it. So see if we can break it down a little bit. As long as you don't ignore me, we good. I would never ignore you. They trying to sell you meme crypto, Casey. You're welcome. Absolutely. You're welcome. So Q's sitting right here at previous day high. Just zoom out, look like from yesterday. That opening right there, that's where we're at. Just basing here. So we continue to base and hold these EMAs. We continue to base and hold here. We're gonna make a higher high next, in my opinion. What I would like is I like to go against the grain a little bit. I would love for this to get taken out, and I would love to see it come down. So, not to be a bear and step on all the bull's toes, but yeah, that's kind of what I would like. All right, so Vol D just hit the zero line. Yeah, it could be bouncy, bouncy still. Right up to 21. Vol D just hit the zero line for the first time. Don't TP. They're talking about TP in my house right now. Please go on the Discord chat. They ring his doorbell and run. He said TP in the house. Oh Jesus. Oh. A 15-minute evening star held support, and we're just basing right now. I still would love to see the flush. So I'm sorry if you're in calls. I don't hate the calls. I do not off the support right here, intraday, like right now, like taking the longs off of this, risking a close below, taking it back up to these highs or to make a new high. I don't hate that trade whatsoever. But just personally for me, with where I'm at up here in the area, like I think intraday you could take it from here to right up here. But every time SPY enters this area here, I'm gonna call out a short every single time until proven otherwise. I have no reason to ever go long up here. I think you can have a bullish case down here to long it intraday back up here, but I'm not looking for an intraday long. I'm looking at a higher time frame setup right now. So every time SPY comes up here, like it's hit twice today, and I've just caught out the intraday shorts right here. I'm in a SPY put swing. Um, I'm just going to continue to get SPY puts every time it hits right up here, and I would love to see it break down. Would love to see it just go from here. Oh, just off my screen. Just like off my screen. Would be fantastic. Just sell it all. Sell it all. Sell it all. Quit buying up the price action bulls. What is my freaking? Do you guys hear my mini golden doodle barking? I can't freaking think. I think that head and shoulders on Q's is actually pretty freaking clear now. Don't get me wrong, it's a little wonky. It's a little wonky, but I think you should be able to see that pretty clear right now. Now that it just bounced and made the right shoulder. So, I mean, it's make or break right here. Right there. I mean, this will be the make or break spot. We break that, I think the head and shoulders gonna play out. We're gonna flush. And that was probably high day. If it holds here and bulls continue to step in and send this thing higher, I think it's gonna make that higher high and then push up. Vol D ripping off the zero line. That's the reason why I sent that chart in the Discord. Fork Casey's yard before the new buyers have their final walk. They've already done their final walkthrough. Is that good for puts? No. Usually bounces off the 0 line. Hmm. Send the worker that pisses you off the most. Why are they still talking about, like, doing shit to me? What the fuck? What's up, goat? What's up, goat? Love you. Appreciate you. Alright. AMD is just taking 1,000 years to get to my toilet, so it needs to hurry up. Where are these puts still sitting at? Yo, Google is flagging out, making another high. I think it's gonna go fill that gap real quick, just a little bit higher. Tessie's still looking good. SPY sitting around the 21. Apple, new high a day. All right, let me go check. Oh, my AMD puts are at 262. So still good. Come on. Bring it down for me, please. Drop it low, girl. Drop it. Going to send small people strippers to Casey's house warming party. Dude, he's like that every day, which is why I love him. Come on. Drop it low, girl. 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 He just texted me back. Oh, told Amp, said I add spy shorts up there. Would love to see that be a Hive day and off into the close. He said my account really needs that to happen. So Amp must be short too. I'm not on spaces right now, but I guess Amp is short and wants it to dump as well. MU with the move. So hold on, because AMD might flush here. Upside or downside? Should be upside. Yeah. So shout out to Amajama on Spaces yesterday. Was talking about ticker NU. She was like, "Yeah, I'm swinging calls on MU," and I was like, "That chart looks really good as well." And she was talking about her position. I was like, "Yeah, that chart looks absolutely phenomenal for a call swing. Beautiful, beautiful." Come on, Spy. Is it pouring freaking rain? Oh no, my father's here cutting my grass. I think that's his weed eater I hear through my AirPods. Drop it low, girl. Jesus Christ. Chris. What the Here we go. Drop it. Let's go. Dude, calls, puts, Tesla, AMD, SPY. I don't care. I don't care what it is, what direction it is. I'm freaking trade it. Just have a plan, execute, stick to it. Come on, hurry up, AMD. All right, back up over $50 per contract. It just went from 262 to 282 here. This is where I got the trim off last time, around 30%, 285. Want to see 300. Give me 300. Hit the toilet. Went full tilt revenge trading yesterday, and I guess I'm making up the dude next week. Oh no. All right, back up 30% here on AMD. Come on. Let's go. Here we go, baby. Come on. No bouncy bouncies here. We want momentum. Just knife straight through it. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to do it. You know you want to drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now. All right, I'm gonna send out this chart in the premium Discord alert bot though, just because a lot of people aren't on the live stream. Oh my god. Someone said, of course, as I go to take a shit and close out my trade, it falls. Here we go! New low of day, AMD. There we go, baby. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go! That's how we do it. This is how we do it. 45%. All right. Taking a trim on AMD. La da 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 da. This is how we do it. All right. Trimmed, screenshot, move a stop up. Bang, bang. Head and shoulders. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Took your gains done for the week. Hey, freaking great job. Great work, Bernsey. Great job on the short. Great work. Just wants to know how many contracts you usually buy, for example, like AMD today. A lot. My whole account almost. All right, here we go. Here we go, yo. Oh, if you're in the Discord, you freaking, you know why. We hate that. Bang, bang. Oh, oh, oh. This is how we do it. La da da. AM Dizzy. Spy puts. Dude, I mean, did we just short the fucking highs? And, oh, all right. Target's about to be hitting here on the AM Dizzles. All right, I'm out majority and in runners here. Runners only. Runners only. 100% on AMD 172.50s. Let's go. Let's go. Great job. Great freaking job. Love you guys. Hope you made some money today. Straight to the toilet. Oh, we're gonna rug. We're fucking rugging. Oh shit. There you go, guys. There you go. Boom. You say, Casey, you the man. The goat flush. Let's go, guys. Dude, Fridays are where it's at. I don't know what it is, but these Friday freaking sessions, dude, they ain't freaking crushing it. Great job. All right. All right. I'm cool collected. AMD $110 per contract gain. Right. What was the level I said earlier on AMD? I said 171.55. Did I not? Did I not? What it hit? 171.52. Where did I just sell majority and be in the runners? Is right there. Come on now. Dude. Casey trades. One trade SPX puts $460. Thank you. You're the fucking go. I appreciate you, brother. Great job. Enjoy the weekend. Great job. Nice job, guys. Great freaking job. Look at this. Let's go. All right, lock some up here. Lock some up. Don't be greedy. Lock some up. Just give it time, baby. You gotta give it time. Give it time. Give it time. Look at that bounce on AMD right off target. Look at it. Locks them up. I'm telling you. If you took AMD or SPY intraday, new trades. Great job, guys. Post the gains in the profits channel. Go put them in the Discord. Let me see them. Fuck, Wayne. Why does Wayne freaking do this every daggone day, Wayne? $3,200, 83% on SPY puts. Gosh, freaking dang it. Great work, dude. Great work. Let's go. You think we can get yesterday's close? We should bounce a little bit here on spot. I mean, the yellow levels are all key levels. So we got 635 cycle level right here. I would love to get down to the equilibrium area, which is going to be down here 633.55. Would I expect instant red candles to flush straight through all this? Absolutely not. Same thing from earlier here, right? Bouncy, bouncy, lower high, make the lower low, right? So what would I expect? I would expect bouncy, bouncy, lower high, and then lower low. Go back up, retest here, bouncy, bouncy, reject, and then finally lower low. That's just kind of how you want to see trends work. If it's going to be a slow just move for the trend, just making the lower highs and lower lows, that's what you want to see. You want to see these areas, go down to the target, bounce, go back up, reject the previous area that they held prior, confirm an SR flip, and then go down, continue trend, make the lower low. So if it bounced earlier, right here, right, we have this spot marked right there. You would want to see it bounce here. Well, I mean, that's the thing. I want to see it just flush straight through. But do I get what I wish for every single time? No. So I would expect to see same thing from earlier. Buyers off the support, right? In order to be a good bear, you have to know where the bull's at, right? So if they're buying off the support, they can bounce it here, which means if I want to continue to stay short right here intraday, I want to see it come back up, do the SR flip right up here, reject, and then go down and make the lower low. And then you repeat that process over and over again. That just helps you manage and stay inside the trade. Now, if you get lucky, it just knife through these freaking levels and they don't do bouncy bouncies. What would I prefer? No bounce, obviously. IWM weaker. Nice job. You took the IWM puts. Great work. My stop hit on SPY 50%. Dude, great freaking job. No, don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about that. Plus 50% is amazing. Great work. Don't think about it. Don't think about that that it can go 100%, 200%. If you have if you have the capital to let the runner go, then yeah. But I mean, locking in 50%, man, like it's fantastic. That's great. That's absolutely fantastic. All right, so I would say that the head and shoulders played out. Shout out Josh. Shout out to Josh who was with me for this one. Sees the head and shoulders there. Broke the zone on QQQ. And we got it. I mean, so let's just get the continuation now, baby. This shit was actually textbook. Indeed. Indeed. Gosh dang it. Scroll, scroll, scroll. There we go. 20 points. MES stops well in profit. Let's go. Great short. Great job, guys. It was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. AMD hit the freaking target and take this off the chart. Just like that. It's all I was looking for. Beautiful. All right. Let's put together a post because I got to jump off here soon. Great job, guys. All right. Appreciate 3,200 people tuning in today and watching me ramble on and trade this market. Love you all. All right. I'm going to post 3 charts. All right. What a Friday live stream. AMD puts straight to target. SPY puts at the highs. QQQ. Beautiful head and shoulders. Plastic. You're awesome, man. I've learned a ton from you. I appreciate you. Appreciate you, Plastic. Look at this bounce on SPY. Look. Look at this. Telling you just how price action works. This is why I'm never greedy and like hold like freaking full position like for all this move down here. Google 205 is coming in as well. Like I said, just lower lows and lower highs. Bounce it here, reject here. Risk to reward down here is good for calls. This is good for longs. Exiting shorts, looking to go long. That's what happens in areas like this. That's what happens right there in areas like this. When people start to realize that, it really helps with risk management. I Mill trades, what a day. Appreciate you, KC Trades. Account is up 9% on the freaking day. All right, so I'm gonna make this post here on X. All the guys in the Discord, please go give a go give a like onto the post and then post your games over there. It was beautiful. I had this other one. Let me see. Oh, someone said arm's still looking decent. I took my eyes off it there for a second, but it was looking good. Is it still pushing? It pulled back down. Higher low. Beautiful. Oh, look, it already drew the trend line. I was about to do it myself. That's another good thing about Lux Algo price action concepts. I have it set to do auto trend lines. Beautiful. Look, auto trend line right here on SPY. This is where you want it to reject. If you want to go short, this is a good opportunity for shorts. Down here, good opportunity for long, good opportunity for short right here. Just you can make money both sides. You just gotta feels good to be done for the day. Trading before it's the best, man. Ah, what we got going on? Thanks, Casey Trades, 3K and 1K day. We'll be on vacation in the Bahamas. Let's go. Great work. Please. Let's go. Absolutely amazing day. Great job, guys. All right, if you're here on the X stream, please go to my recent post. Go give it a like, comment your gains. Want to see them. Great job, guys. All right, just send in the Discord as well. Go show some love. You made some money today. Want to see it. I don't care if you make 50 bucks. I don't care if you make $500. I don't care if you make $5,000, right? We all trade our accounts differently. We all trade with different sizes, right? Some people's accounts are different than others. Oh, I mean, you manage your own account on your own with your size and your risk and everything else. But at the end of the day, it's We're all just looking to continue to grow and move forward. So never be scared to share your gains. Like you don't think it's worth it. I absolutely think making an extra 50 bucks a day, $100 a day while trading, just building up your account. I think that's absolutely fantastic. I did it for the longest freaking time while I was still working full time. Um, so make sure you post it. Doesn't matter how much the gains are. Just as long as you're being consistent and you're growing, that's really all that matters. So go to the X post. Just put it out there. You will see. Talked about Tesla, but main two charts there. AMD puts straight down the target. We put the toilet on the chart with the little poop emoji, right? And it flushed, went down straight to it. And then the SPY puts. So fun, fun Friday. So go give that a like if you're here on X. Make sure you're also following my profile on X if you're not. Turn the notifications on. And then also like Live said over on YouTube, there's 3,224 people watching. 99% of all those people are here on X. So make sure you're going to follow my X profile and go give that most recent post over there a like. And then again, comment your gains. But Liv says there's 63 people over on the other YouTube channel right now. So go hit that like button, subscribe to the YouTube as well. Once I get into the new house and have the office set up, um, within the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff on the YouTube channel. Doing a lot more video content, a lot more educational content over there. So make sure you're also going to be subscribing to that. Small account is up 45% on the day, coach. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job. That's freaking beautiful, coach. What's the indicator again? Lux Algo? Yes, it is Lux Algo, price action concepts. Oopsies. Lux Algo, price action concepts. Says 2.0. I think it's because it's an updated version. But if you just go to TradingView, go to your indicators, type in Lux Algo, price action. Oh gosh, dang it. Lux Algo, price. Oh, is it invite only? Oh, it's private. That's why. Duh. So Lux Algo, um, it's a private script. So it is by them. It is by Lux Algo. But it's price action concepts indicator. You can absolutely customize this thing. You can mark um, the breakup structure. You can mark the chotch. That's what I like to say. On interns, you can also do it on the swing. You can change the time frame for it. I just leave it on whatever chart that I'm on that specific time frame. You can have it automatically mark swing high and swing lows, mark strong and weak highs and lows. Um, I have it set to do the last 5 order blocks. So you'll see on like the AMD chart. Okay, you see right here on ARM. See right here. So order block. See this number? That's right over here. So it automatically marks that right there. Same thing for AMD, where my target was. Down here off the low, look, right where that order block is. Literally right here, it marks it. So absolutely an amazing little tool here. Then I have it set to show trend lines, which is the automatic trend lines that it draws here on the chart, the blue and red. Patterns. You can have it do pattern zones. You can do liquidity grabs. You can make it put fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps. The premium discount equilibrium zone, which is what I use mainly for the equilibrium as well there for the 50% retracement of the previous day range. I have it automatically set to mark the daily, monthly, weekly, monthly highs and lows. And then I don't use the little fibs on here. And then you can make your own custom alert creator down here using all of these different tools. So it's very essentially it's just very customizable. It's an amazing tool. Absolutely, absolutely love it. I said Apple. I gotta jump off here. Apple just look at that freaking look. I sent that one earlier. Look at this. You're in the Discord. Look, ready? Look at that before and after chart on Apple. Look in the Discord. Look at that. Look at that before and after. So I sent the chart earlier here when it broke above the equilibrium zone and that bull flag. That was the last time we looked at Apple. And I was like, Apple's breaking the bull flag right now. And then it came back down, retested it. Look, auto trend line right there, higher low, and then just straight freaking ripper. I just put the before when it was just this next to the after one with right here. It's freaking insane. That's insane. Vol-D went below the zero line, ripping back above it. VIX new low of day. So SPY should be getting a little poppy, rippy, rippy. Absolutely back above trend line. So now we're back up in this zone. Qs back above the trend line, back above where the head and shoulders was. So now it's back in the same zone from earlier as well. This Apple move is absolutely insane. All right. I think that's it for me today. Tesla's actually looking a little heavy, which is what I like to see. It's looking heavy right here. But holding above 330, which is what I want to see to swing. Ray, today alone, man, oh man, I'm so grateful for this guy that receives so much hate for no reason sometimes. He's just as humble as they come, family man who decided to begin learning how to trade while getting his knee operated on. Mind you, this man was out here risking his life. Only God knows how the effect it would take on his family. Something tragic would have happened outside of that. Maybe wouldn't be here, but he is here to guide us all with his teachings and passing along his knowledge to see us all succeed. I thank you, God, for letting me cross paths with this individual. Casey Trades is a blessing. I truly mean this from the bottom of my soul, brother. Dude, Ray, you're gonna make me cry here on live stream in front of like 3,300 people, dude. Oh my God, Ray, I freaking love you. Ray, you crush it day in and day out. You've been here and you share your gains with everybody every single day. Just as transparent as they are. As another trader within the Discord, I'm super glad to have you part of the team and the community, brother. That's absolutely amazing, amazing to hear. I appreciate you. Love you, bro. Absolutely incredible. I'm not crying. I actually do have something just in my eye. Matt said, I can't read all that. He said, never mind, Casey read it for me. Oh, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. Oh, what a way to end the week. God, freaking love doing this, man. This is like the coolest job in the world. Just sitting back, trading the stock market, making money, building a community with a bunch of other traders in there who just support each other, and then we just grow together along the way, continue to make more money. Like, it's freaking fantastic. Love you guys. All right. What else we got going on here before I jump off? I hear Ray. I went lifetime after 1 month in your Discord. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, man. Like, it, dude. A lot of people don't know like the stress that it takes to freaking run and operate a Discord, especially when it's a one man show. Like, dude, it's a lot. We have thousands of freaking members in here. But I'll tell you right now, it's probably one of the greatest things that I've ever done and created was the Casey Trades Discord community. Um, and if you just look at it just from an investment standpoint, I mean, whether you just come in and hang out for 69 bucks or you pay, a couple $100 for the lifetime whenever you got, discount codes coming. I love dropping the discount codes all the time for people to use on the lifetime stuff, right? And I mean, you got people like Ray, like right now. I mean, you make and multiple people today so far make over $1,000 in a freaking day, right? I mean, whether you pay 69 bucks a month and make $1,000 in a day, I mean, that pays for over a year right there. So you just gotta look at it from like an investment standpoint. Like, is the trading community, is it beneficial to you where you can see yourself growing if you stay involved with this group of traders within this community? And if that's the case, then it is a great investment. So that's what I tell people every Friday on here. It's like if it's my community, then I think that's fantastic. Love to have you. If it's not my community, it's somebody else's, I still think that's amazing. That's fantastic. Just find a good trading community that fits you where you can see yourself grow in. And that's the best thing you can ever do as a trader. Um, so it takes a lot of work to run a freaking Discord, and we have multiple other analysts in here that I brought in as well, who help. I got one, two, three, four. I got five other guys in here as well. Um, that are able to share, everything that they're doing within the stock market with options and futures, just providing, I guess, more content, criteria, and trades and stuff like that, just outside of just me. So it's me running the whole thing, but it's not just me sharing charts and trades. We got a group of other amazing analysts in here as well. So I mean, I appreciate all of them for being a part of the community as well. Casey's compound, we can all be his neighbors. What's Bishop talk? What Bishop say? What he just say? What, Apple or Tesla, Bishop? Which one? I know he's up like 1,000% on both. Which one? He said, "Tell me you got it." Q SPY back near the highs. Vol D ripping. Tick back above the zero line. VIX dumping. Very, very bullish. What's Hims doing? Either. But you know my heart bound to Tesla. Plus 400%, baby. But your swing was 10x better. What did he just post? Look at the video that Bishop just put in the premium Discord. Holy shit. Oh my god. Put Waxen in there. Oh my god. Hims? Dude, Apple's on a freaking mission. Apple's on a freaking mission. Hims back in the freaking buy zone again, just chilling down here. It just broke this trend line. Would have been a nice buy right down here, getting a pop back up to VWAP. If it can break back above the equilibrium zone and reclaim like 51.7, it looks good. What's AMD doing since I sold it? Look at that. Look at that. Sold the low, AMD. Said it still looks good. ASML is also setting up too. Ooh, Bishop. This is why Bishop's freaking in the Discord, dude. Oh, that looks good. I really like that. That looks good. Never traded it. But that weekly looks great. Haven't traded ASML. I did too. Yeah, I missed MU as well. Yo, sold the low for AMD puts right at 1 at target. I charted Walmart twice and never took the calls. The calls I was looking at went 500%. They're probably higher now. Ah, all right. Let me go back through this real quick. How much is lifetime? I have no idea, to be honest with you. Oh, yes. Appreciate you, Mill Trades, for posting on X. Um, so if whoopsies. So if you go to my X profile, I have a link tree. You can click that in my bio, right? And then the second one down says Casey Trades Premium Discord. That takes you to my WAP store. You can also click the big thing that says 69 bucks, Casey Trades Premium Discord. It says shop on website, pulls it up. So I'll automatically put you on Casey Trades Premium Discord for $69 a month. You automatically get 7-day free trial. You don't got to pay for shit for a whole week. Come hang out, make hundreds of dollars. If you want to stay, stay. If you make $100 and you're like, I'm good, and leave, I mean, that's your choice. But you get 7 days to come hang out and see if it's a place for you. Bottom corner, where it says $69 a month, you're going to see it says like 4 options, which means there's 4 other options for that package. You got 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and lifetime. So lifetime right now is $14.90, so $1,490. I will tell you right now, you can go ahead and use Casey 30 to get 30% off of that right now. So if you go do that, it's going to take $450 off of that. So it's going to put you about 1,000, and then you're good from here on out. So bang bang. Tessie. I want to pull this chart up on Tessie before I jump off. It's right. Look, it's already there. It's sitting right at the freaking spot. This is why I want to potentially swing these calls. That's why I want to swing those Tesla calls right there. I have a alert channel in premium. Another thing too, just for people here on free trial here, give me a second. I might be able to put the link in the chat real quick. If I'm telling everyone right now, just follow me on X. Whether you're on YouTube right now or if you're on X, whatever it is, go to X, go to Twitter, follow me on there. It makes things so much easier because all of my links and everything is there. But I'm gonna try and paste this real quick. Gosh dang it. I'm gonna try to paste this in the chat for YouTube to respond back to and see if it works. Give me a second. Copy link. Let me go back here It's in just go to wop.com, type in KC Trades. But I just put this link. It should send it to YouTube, and that should work. Also, join. So also here. So follow me on X at KC Trades 777. Join my Discord server at https discord.gg/join KC Trades. I'm just gonna put this one in here too. All right, so if you're on YouTube, there's my WAP store link, and then also my name for X, and then also the link to my Discord server. So that's everything right there. If you're on YouTube, if you're on X, you have all that stuff. It's in my profile. Just hit my link tree. Everything's right there. Self-explanatory. But I am about to jump off here. I like Tesla swings. I'll be looking to enter into that into the close. As long as it holds above this area. I'll go to the daily real quick. Daily is in a squeeze. It tried to go downside, it went neutral, and now it is holding above and trying to flip bullish, which is what I love to see. So that's what I love to see on Tessie. So as long as it holds in here, I'll be looking to potentially get some call swings by end of day. All right, I'm jumping off here. We have 3,500 people hanging out here today. Go ahead and clear up the charts because we are resetting for next week. Unless we see something crazy here happen on the back half of the day. I mean, there's still plenty of time. We got 4 hours left. I mean, we done traded so much and already made some good money for the day. We still got 4 hours left, but that's the beauty of, especially I like trading the morning session. I think you can make good money and catch some really good moves within the first 2 hours of the day. I think 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern is the best time to be trading. So, SPY going for highs. Previous day high is up at 638.19. It's pre-market high. Previous day high open session hours is right here. Pre-market high is 638.18, and then above that 638.62. Again, Tesla. I don't know what strikes I want to take on Tessie if I swing these calls. Let me check something on the flow real quick. See if there's anything unusual. I mean, that's very unusual. Those are far out of the monies. Those are sold though. You got sizable, nothing. 100K orders. $700 calls. March 20th, 2026. Damn. There's actually been a lot of flow on these today. It's mixed. But these two are these back to back. Those are kind of back to back, same price, near same size. Okay, so there's a hedge position right here. They bought these ones above the ask, and then they got these ones at the bid. Price is about damn near the same. The size, 1,600 contracts versus 1,500 contracts, 1.04 million, 1.16 million within 2 minutes of each other, minute and a half. Nothing crazy. But this other order up here, 1.71 million, and 700K on Tesla, $700 calls for 3/20/2026. That's kind of insane. Interesting. SPY just hit next level upside. Qs, low top wiki near the double top. Tessie is not pushing higher. So it's got a little bit of relative weakness after the run up this morning. But I'm not seeing anything too crazy on the flow, but I wouldn't mind getting some like September 400s. I know that seems a little too far out, but I think Tessie could do it. And I would like to see Tesla go back to 370. That would be a big target upside if the weekly break plays out. So nice. All right. I'm just getting an alert on Apple 222.5 calls. I gotta jump off here. Those are in the freaking money. Expiration next week. All right. Baldy ripping. Tick just went overextended for the first time since the open right there. 12:15. Apple just, dude. Apple insane. I want to check something though before I jump. If I still own AAPW. Dude, I still own AMZU. I'm a fat on Amazon AMZU. Yo, Oscar? My man, Oscar. The 12 $12 cover calls. They're at 95%. They're gonna expire today or not cover calls, Jesus. $12 cash secure puts on Oscar are gonna expire today for 100%. Oh yeah. Let's go. I have $2,000 worth of AAPWs. Let's go. I know. I actually got to send that out right now too. What was that? SPX call. Nice job. Great freaking job, dude. Nice job, Sarge. Let me go to the long-term account real quick. Let me go do an update on Oscar. Because I done bought it to dip it. Chip. All right. What's my Oscar shares at? 15, almost 1550 here. I'm gonna go update the long account and premium Discord for the Oscar shares. Beautiful ad on the dip for Oscar. Was it last week or earlier this week? When did I take this ad? Last week. Nice. Trimmed to Apple 1300%. Holy shit, TJ. 1300%. Let's fucking go. That's awesome. Great job, TJ. All right. Absolutely insane. Dude, that's insane. Spy rejecting the level. Use right at the double top. Dude, I love the yellow levels. I love the yellow levels. All right. I'm officially jumping off here. Love you all. 3,500 people tuned in today. Appreciate you. Say cheese. Appreciate you guys. That's it for me for today for the week. I think we locked in just about a grand on the day. I gotta go check. Let me crop this photo real quick. Go post it over here. Where is the channel? But I hope everyone had an amazing week. I hope you had an amazing Friday today. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. Short week for me next week because I am moving. So I will be in the premium Discord Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Live trading here like normal, just in the premium Discord. But then Thursday morning, I will be picking up the U-Haul at 7:30 a.m. and be packing up the entire house that day and then driving 3 hours back and forth to go do the final walk through and close on the house um, at the attorney's office. And then it's go time for the rest of that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. Just 4 days of straight unpacking boxes, getting a bunch of furniture delivered into the house and moving that shit around. So I won't be super active over the weekend on social media, which usually I'm not too active anyways. Maybe send a post here or there, but um, yeah, just gonna be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'm gonna try to rack up as much as I can and have a good week. Um, Ending on a good note for Wednesday. Small account challenge, by the way. Um, Fan freaking tastic so far. It is up green. It is up over 10% overall. Um, Dude, I don't know what it is. Before I go, I know I just keep going on. I don't know what it is, but every time I start the small account challenge, my first like day or few trades, they always go red every single time. I started with $1,000, took like 2, 3 losses straight out of the gate, went down to like $700, and then went from 700 to 2,000 and doubled the account from 1,000 to 2,000. From 2,000 to 4,000, I did the same thing. Started off red and then went to freaking 2,000. Or sorry, then went to 4,000. And now we're sitting up at 4,000. Started off, took red trades, went underneath of it, and then just freaking went on a tear right after it. Hit 3 trades in a row on Tuesday, just back to back to back. And now green. So I don't know where it is. Every time I start the next phase for the small account challenge, it's always red, like right when I start. And then we finish strong and end up doubling the account. So I'm going to take this one again, double from 4,000 to 8,000. So it's going to be fun. So, do you draw the levels yourself? I do. I do. I find all of these levels myself. The only ones that are on the chart that aren't mine are the ones from the price action concepts indicators that will mark the previous day high weeks for me. But all these yellow levels and red levels on here, those are all my levels. Um, Beautiful little short here on SPY and Qs, playing out a little bit right off of that. So let me go ahead and type this in. Let me go say hi to my dad real quick before he leaves. Perfect. Ejection. Dude, I'm gonna freaking crush ES on live stream every day. So, all right. Again, 3,500 people in here. Love you all. Congrats on the house. Appreciate you, Plastic. So Premium Discord team, I'll see you guys on the live stream back on Monday. Ready to fucking crush it again. Again, I hope everyone had a great week, great day. Gonna have a great weekend. Made some money. Keep on learning. If you want to come hang out in Casey Trades community, I'll put the links on the YouTube thing, but also just go follow me on X. All my stuff's there. Click the link tree thing. Come join the Discord. Hang out. Free trial for a week. See if it's for you. We have an amazing community. We joke around, we laugh, we have a great time, and we try to keep learning from each other and make as much money as we can every single day.